Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Anker 3 Series. So it's like a BMW 325 portable power bank. It's also known as the PowerCore 20K 2. So this is a second version or something. And yeah, it's got 15 watts of high-speed charging. I'm going to test that out because I need a fast charger. If it doesn't do fast charging for Samsung, then it's useless for me. Hopefully it does. So yeah, and it's 20k, so it's going to be 20,000 milliamp hours, so it should give you a lot of charges. So it comes with nice white and blue box style, very nice color scheme. This goes for, well, I got it for 26.99 plus I got another quid off or something for something I can't remember. Did I use a code or something? I can't remember. I got another quid off, don't know how, I forgot. But yeah, so I only paid 25 quid. But yeah, this goes for £27. But that's on sale price right now. When it's on normal price, it sells for £40, so you're getting a decent amount of the money here. Anker, world's #1 mobile charging brand, Series 3. Got the nice color there on the side. Same on there. Alright. 80 million happy users worldwide, fast charging, 18-month hassle-free warranty. So this is the Anker 325 Powerbank PowerCore 20K2, as you can see. So yeah, I got this from Amazon. This brand Anker, they have sponsored me in the past. So has RAV Power, them two companies. They've sponsored me years ago. And now look at them, they're the biggest companies on Amazon for tech. Just think about that, that's how crazy it is. They went from sponsoring me as a small YouTuber to becoming one of the biggest companies on Amazon. So yeah, they've done very well for themselves. So yeah, got a tab here. I don't have scissors, so I'm gonna have to improvise. Let me get a letter opener. No letter. Let's see what I have. Right, we have a receipt spike here. We're gonna have to use that. I used that last time as well, so should do the job. Be a bit messy, but should do the job. Come on. Oh, I might need 2 hands for this, but it is possible to do this with this. I've done it before. Right, I'm gonna need 2 hands. Give me 1 second. So all you do is dig into it and then go all the way along to the left, to the right. Alright, got a nice pull tab there. Oops, it's upside down. That's a weird pull tab actually. It should have been the other way. Oh, here's a bit of a chunky power bank. Just be aware of that. What else is in there? One more thing. Right, this came in handy. We don't need it anymore. This video is sponsored by Petrol. Joking, no Petrol. But yeah, that's a good engine oil. Right, got your quick start guide. Don't really need it. Don't think you need it anyway. So this has USB-C in and out, so you can charge with it and you can use it. So check the battery level. You press the button, it'll show you the level with the indicators. Charge phone, tablets. Okay. So you recharge this one using the USB-C port, which is normal. Activate trickle charge mode. You double tap here, you'll do trickle charging. That's if you want to very slow charge. I don't know why you'd want to do that. Charge your headphones or the low power devices. Oh, that's what the trickle charge would do, I guess. Yeah. Otherwise it'll switch off thinking there's nothing plugged in. So yeah, that's really good. That's not bad though. Okay, these are your outputs. Can you not do 9 volts? 5 volts at 3 amps, 5 volts at 3 amps, 5 volts at 2.4 amps. So I don't think this will fast charge my Samsung, because Samsung does 9 volts at 1.6 amps, which is still 15 amps, but it's a different voltage, higher voltage, which I don't think this power bank can deliver. So maybe we'll have to return it. Useless to me. without the fast charge feature is very useless to me. So this is your safety guide or warranty, both. Can't really, yeah, something like that. Yeah, forget that, we don't need to. Let's have a look at the product. So you get USB-C cable, very nice, and you get the power bank itself, very thick, very heavy as well. What the hell is this? Why in French? I am English. You bastard. Oh, it's all in French, look. Ricola plastic. Oh, I like this plastic though, wow. Very strong and shiny. Alright. Ricola plastica. Also one of them where you have to break the seal open. No, it's a sticky one, that's good. Alright. Oh, that's a very thick power bank. Very thick. Oh, that looks nice though. So it comes with 2 charges, 2 bars of charge, can you see? Oh. There you go, 3 bars, oh, 4 bars, no, 2 bars of charge. Turn the flash off, there you go, can you see the 2 bars of charge? Alright. So let me take off these. Here's a very nice power bank though, I can't lie. Who knows, I might keep it, even if it's slow charge. Oh no, it would piss me off though, because when it comes back to recharging, it's going to be slow. Like charging this back up. It's going to take the piss. Oof, look at that. I love that gloss black. Oof. That is beautiful. I love that beautiful gloss black finish. Wow. Look at that. It's already got dust on it, but yeah. Oh my. We can give that a wipe. Okay, so you got the normal USB 3.0, whatever. USB-C there. You got the Anker logo there, very nicely cut out. You got your power ratings there, which I don't know if you can see. No, you need to flash with that. Need flash, but oops. Let's see if we can do this. No, still not readable. To be fair, I can't read it myself when I'm looking at it right now. So yeah. It's basically what was written on the other thing. So yes, we shall try the USB-C actually. See if it's able to do fast charging for the Samsung. Is it intelligent enough to pull it off, guys? Fortunately, we have a Samsung right here, guys. Let's see if it will do fast charge. Oops, that was 9. 1 second, guys. And there you have it, guys. It's not fast charging. Just a regular slow charger. Useless to me then. As you can see, plugged in. So if it was fast charging, I'll say fast charging. So it's just charging, which is very useless to me. And it's very heavy. And now, what a pointless power bank. It's pretty pointless because without a fast charging, it's just useless. So where they put fast charging on the, what do you call it, on their listing, they've said that wrong. It's not fast charging, it's only fast charging for iPhones, which is no good. Let's see if I can show you lots. Right, have a look. As you can see, 15 watts high charging speed for Samsung Galaxy. No, it's not. It's fast charging for the iPhones, not Samsung Galaxies. I imagine if I paid £40 for this, the full price, I would have been more pissed off. But yeah, that's a shit deal. Well, yeah, I'd say it's a shit deal because it's just not fast and it's too heavy. Too fat for the body is. Or what it does, I mean, whatever you want to say. But yeah, I'll see if I can be asked returning it or not. If I find a fast charging one, then I'll go ahead and do it. If not, I'll just keep this for now, I guess. But yeah, I'm not too happy with it, but it is what it is. It's false advertising, but it is what it is. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.